Gonna take this to pieces and have a look inside. You can buy refurbishment kits for these, and in it you get the new gasket for that, new propeller or impeller, whatever you call it, a new seal for behind the impeller, and a new bearing. But I haven't got one of them. I've got to try and have a look at this, see if it's any good. So just 2 bolts at the back. This pushes one way and then slides off. It's a bit of a mess. So I'll clean that. It's a right mess inside there, so looks like it could do with being replaced, but I'll do it a bit later on. I'm going to tap that and see if the impeller comes out. Yep. There's your seal. Seal size is 10/21/12, I think. Obviously, to get that, you just pry it. I don't really want to damage it because I need it. So basically, you're going to have to damage that to get it out, and then you'll be able to press your bearing out. It's all pretty easy to do. I'm just going to clean mine up. Put some good sewing machine oil on it. Now I think that bearing's long dead. So we'll have to get a replacement kit for this. So it's actually easy to get the bearing out on this one. You just lift it from both sides. The bearings come out. Terrible. That's destroyed. So I'll try and get that out now. Now I'm going to have to take it outside and really hammer it. So I managed to get that out. Seal's out. It's a big old seal. There's the bearing. So basically you just push your bearing, the seal back in, your bearing that side, and then your brand new propeller should fit through your seal and into your bearing. You get a new O-ring with them as well. Probably these O-rings as well to seal. And a new gasket around there. So that's it, this one's scrap, I'm going to have to buy a new one.